Best Infill over 3,501 square feet. The finalists for Best Infill over 3,501 square feet, sponsored by Weiss Johnson Group of Companies, are Justin Gray Homes for Kane Residence, Canvey Homes for Belgravia Custom Residence, and Sterling Homes Edmonton for Aspen Retreat. The winner of Best Infill over 3,501 square feet is Sterling Homes Edmonton for Aspen Retreat.